East Huntingdon Street. I just half block from front. It is a quiet and residential area. I'm here to show you one bedroom unit in this building. It is a 3-story building. There are 3 units in this building, and I'm here to show you some of them today. This is what the outside looks like. All right, let's get in. As I open, this is the hallway for the 3 units. You take the first unit. I would like to show you is a 1-bedroom unit. All right, off to the 3rd floor unit, unit 3. This is the entrance. 1 unit down there, and unit 2 here, and unit 3. You go through this door. It's upstairs. So I left this door open for a video, and you go up, and you see in the hallway you have a window for a natural light. You also have light in the ceiling. So I'm inside unit 3. All right, as I finish the steps here on this beautiful floor, the first room I see is the bedroom. I will show you the bedroom later on. Just want to show you the living area first. This is your living space. It's a nice size living space. You have 2 windows for a natural light. You also have open small kitchen at the corner. In the kitchen you have a gas oven, cooktop, cabinet space. You have a refrigerator. This is what it looks like from this angle. You also have this closet space. That's closet space. And the door you see here is your bathroom. You open the bathroom, you have this nice stored shower, tile wall, tile floor. You have a toilet. You have a medicine cabinet, sink, nice. You have forced air for the heat. This door you see on my left is a utility closet. Nothing fancy, but just your utility closet is here. And now I will show you your huge bedroom. As you could see, the bedroom gets a lot of natural light because you have this window on my left. It's a very nice size bedroom. Over there, that's your closet space. It seems small from this angle, but it's deep inside. You could see takes a lot of things. It is deep. This is what your bedroom looks like. A window for a natural light, and leading to the hallway takes your living space. This is the steps. That is the door, the entrance door to the unit. Just showed you unit 3. I hope you like the unit. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. You are watching out from the living room. To just add some more is East Huntingdon Street. Thank you. Bye.